Incremental things. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the reliable expansion. Now we will learn how we can send an A factor to many elements at once. You know that I can do this in any element. You have the factor. 1.2 is the default for topics. And I can put this up to 6.9, at least for items. Nice. I want to affect these to many elements. Let's say that I want actually to decrease this. I want to be super low because I'm reading something that I want super short term. I want two intervals to increase very slowly. So let's say it's this. This book, What If School Creates Dyslexia? So in my case, only topics, only memorized, process browser, A factor. There are two options, like the forgetting index, that you can put 1 or the default. In the A factor, you can set 1 in particular or modify it. There's no default A factor. So let's start with set. I will put this here. So you see the A factor is from 109 to 1.5 more or less. Okay. And you see for topics is 101, the absolute minimum in Supermemo, or 3. Meaning that it will do 3 times as more the next interval every time. So I want the exact minimum. So only 1% increase every time. Look at the second column, A factor. Do you want to change topic A factors of all browser elements? Let's do that. 27 conversions done. Now everything is the minimum. It's exactly the same. That means that oh my god, not the best case because the intervals are already huge. But if the intervals were just 1 or 2 days, they will be super. I will see this every day, then every other day, every 3 days, and so on. It's very likely I will do all of the repetitions required for every topic within 2 weeks or before that. So now let me advance. I'm going to explain this in this section, but not now. Okay, I just cheated, so it's more meaningful, it's not that dummy. So now I have interval of 1 day or 2 days, and the factor is 101. So now I know that once I see this, it will be easy that the next day you see will be 4, 6, 8, 10, 13, 16, 20. So it will be increasing 2, 3, 4 days, but very slowly. That's how you set the A factor. See you in the next video.